Another severe thunderstorm warning.
Arkansas, northeastern Franklin County in west central Arkansas, northeastern Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles south of Wesley to 5 miles southeast of Winslow, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include St. Paul, Pettigrew, Japton, Ritter, Aurora, Boston, Dutton, Bidville, Red Star, Weathers, Delaney, Brashears, Crosses, Patrick, Combs, Durham,